In 2026, working hard will not be enough to survive financially. The rules of money are changing fast, and most people won't see it coming. In this video, I'll break down the new money rules of 2026 and exactly how you can stay ahead instead of falling behind. Quick question: if your salary disappeared tomorrow, how long would you survive? A week? A month? Not at all. Now here's the scary part. By 2026, millions of people will find out the hard way. Don't panic, this isn't a doom video. This is about how to win, not how to worry. Let's talk about money in 2026. Section 1. Why money feels different. Now have you noticed this? Your money is working, but it's tired. Prices are rising, salaries are chilling, and savings are quietly losing weight. Add job stress, AI doing things faster than humans, and suddenly money feels unstable. The good news: this doesn't mean the future is broke. It means the old rules expired. The new money rules of 2026. Rule number 1. One income is a dangerous game. Relying on one income in 2026 is like sitting on a chair with one leg. It might hold until it doesn't. Multiple income streams aren't about greed, they're about sleep, peaceful sleep. Rule number 2. Skills pay better than titles. Degrees look nice on the wall. Skills pay the rent. If you can solve problems online, money can find you. And no, you don't need to be a tech genius. You just need to be useful. Rule number 3. Saving alone is not a plan. Saving money is good, but saving without earning more is like pouring water into a leaking bucket. In 2026, money must move or it slowly disappears. Rule number 4. Digital income is not optional anymore. The internet is the biggest shopping mall in human history, and some people are just walking past it. Digital income means leverage. Your phone can be a liability or an income tool. Rule number 5. Adaptability beats everything. The future rewards people who can learn, adjust, and move on quickly. Same person, new strategy. Section 3. How to actually win in 2026. Now let's get practical. You don't need 10 side hustles. That's stress. You need one extra income stream that actually makes sense. Simple steps. Learn one high-income skill. Use technology instead of fighting it. Spend with intention, not vibes. Build income first, then worry about perfection. Smart moves beat big, lazy plans. Here's the truth. The future doesn't care about comfort, but it rewards preparation. If you want videos that explain money without boring you to death, subscribe and share. This is Side Hustle Pulse, where we make money make sense.